for this week's show, we're coming to you from the second city of Montego Bay. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and I'm coming to you straight from the CB Pan Chicken Western Regional Eliminations. So for the next half an hour, just sit back and relax, because Pree Dis starts right now. Kick off this week's show with highlights from the CB Pan Chicken Western Regional Eliminations. Let's see who came out on top. Keep it locked. Show you the one where the man come back for. I'm in no knowledge. No pop down for call the contractor. My body good make a man jump up. Appreciate it, I get a known factor. Cause I be windy babe. I'm sweet like a Moscato. I'm bubble like a champagne. What are you eating right now?
Jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken?
Yeah.
That's in some festival?
And some festival, yeah.
Alright, you enjoying it?
Yeah, it's my first time and it's wonderful, great.
First time to the event?
Yeah.
Alright, how you liking the vibe so far?
Well, the vibe is great, the entertainment is great, and I'm just having fun.
So you come back next year?
Definitely, yeah.
Is this your first time to the event?
Yeah.
You liking it? How the vibe so far?
So far, I love it, you know?
Right. So how many see you eat? No food?
I eat already, you know, as I'm a free pitch, I'm going to take over across the board.
Alright, so what you eat?
Chicken, I'm going to drink a cup of soup.
What are you eating?
Jerk chicken.
How is it?
Wonderful.
It's actually my first one though, but the chicken is really great.
Chicken is great?
Yeah.
Is it first time to the event?
Yeah, first time.
And you enjoying it so far?
Yeah, pretty much.
I'm eating jerk chicken and it's great.
Alright, this is your first time to the event?
Yes.
So you're liking it so far? How's the vibe?
It's okay and nice.
Are you enjoying the event?
Yes.
Have you had anything to eat yet?
Well, I'm just about to buy a soup, then little after jerk chicken, then what else did we get?
It's pretty good.
Alright, is this your first time to the event or you've been here before?
Time.
Second time.
Second time.
And you like the overall vibe of it?
Yeah, this year it's even better than last year.
Really?
Setting and everything, yeah.
Alright, so tell us what you like about the event singly.
Well, I'm just here for the chicken, you know, to be honest. I'm just here for the chicken.
I am here on the entertainment.
You're here for the entertainment?
Yes.
Who do you come to watch? You don't know? Did you have some of the chicken? You didn't like it?
Yes.
Yes?
When me dead over, yeah, roll over. Man, I'm a ball of my hand. My wine sweet like a Moscato. I'm a bubble like a champagne. Man, done food, them I know what me do. It's like liquor buzz up in a them brand. So girl just pat it up, back it up. 20, girl, jack it up. Roll your bumper, jiggle up your bum. From your know you got the good stuff. Pat it up, back it up. 20, girl, jack it up. Roll your bumper, jiggle up your bum. From your know you got the good stuff. Tick tock, tick. The way me a wine them think is a trick. Bend over my girl.
People are coming out in droves now to support the chicken, and they're also loving up the pork. We brought with us our road hog, and it is creating such hysteria out here. We are selling like crazy. People are loving it. You see this barrier here? We had to put something up to kind of push the people back because they're so fascinated. They're like, what is this thing? What is this beast? What is this machine? And what is it cooking that smells so good? It's copperwood pork. I want everybody to remember that. When you go into the supermarkets, look for your blue seal. It's copperwood pork. It is the best pork. And as CB says with their chicken, is safe food. You can know that Copperwood is under the same umbrella. We're ISO certified, HACCP and GMP. We're the only pork production certified with all three on the island, and we are doing great things. So once you pick up your Copperwood pork, you know that you're eating safe.
This is perfect for us. It showcases our jerk seasoning. All the competitors get basically two liters of Spurtree jerk season. They use one to season up with beforehand and use one on the day. They can use it if they want. If they don't, they don't. But it's a good showcase for us. It's perfect. It's out in the open air. It's the way the chicken should be cooked and the way our seasoning should be used. And it's all fresh seasonings we use. We do a range of products from jerk through curry seasoning, oxtail seasoning, brown stew seasoning, pepper sauce. There's a whole range of things.
This year, Pepsi is the headline sponsor along with CB in terms of the beverage provider. And it's going great for us. We've been going right across the island with CB, and Montego Bay is just, we're really, really excited about the activities here.
Been partners with CB for the last 3 years, and it's been a wonderful experience. We bring in chicken and we bring in fresh beer to the people, so it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Well, the relationship is really good. We're all about daytime consumption. So hot day, cold beer, good chicken. We do have a deal going on. You buy 3 beers for $400, so that's roughly $125 a beer. And then on top of that, you can go down to our Super 6 activation. Score 4 goals, you get 6 tries, and you could win great prizes.
We work so hard with our partners to ensure that this event is free. So none of this could have been possible without, of course, CB Chicken, but National Baking Company, Grace Tomato Ketchup, Housekeep Aluminum Foil, Digicel, JN, SDC, UDC, I mean, the list goes on. Gleena, Star, Irie, Mello, Pree Dis, you know, on stage, TVJ, everybody contributes in their own way to make sure that this is an excellent event. Well, this is the last of 3 regional eliminations, and then we would have selected a winner and a runner-up from each parish to advance to the grand final. That's the real big bad one where we take over downtown Waterfront on Sunday, November 23rd.
We don't fear no evil, we don't pray that them order. None of them are robots and we know them by them order. We don't pray that none of them aisle, not them border. No parchment, no gathering, no cream soda. We are the bandit, center. We remove our eyeball. Come here, so we are the bandit. Never pressure us to the grocery bandit. We the bandit.
What do you think about the CB Pan Chicken event, and what do you think it does for Jamaica?
Well, you know, it's a great event. I mean, and a while ago the brand manager saying to me if I did expect to see so much people. Well, we know say year to year, you know, it's a great event and the people look forward to it, and you know, a poor people something, you know, the people thing, you know, so it's great. Any initiative like this, I mean, you know, from it have to do with the people who, you know, support the music and, you know, just our Jamaican people. I mean, you know, it goes without any real thought, really. It's just automatic, you know what I mean?
I'm excited, it's so great, and I'm happy.
I feel great because this is how we want it already. This is a mission macro. Everyone is inspired me to
I come second the first time, 2012. You know, and I come push out very hard this time to be the first place winner.
Well, I feel real excited, real happy, and I want to say thanks to my wife, Elaine Davis. She had prayed for me right through, and well, I think I deserve it because I work really hard, and in Kingston, I think I'm going to be the first winner again.
We're coming up to our first commercial break. When we get back, we'll be kicking it with Gaza Slim and we'll be checking out our video premiere. Keep it locked.